like you. You baby. No, you You. No! You're a bully. Stop it. Stop it. No. No. Damn it, I say damn it. This is my lovely cat. She would never hurt me. She would even hurt a fly. She loved me. She loved me. Ain't that right, pussycat? Big fat black haired pussy. No! You and your orange cat. No! Stop it. I said I loved you. You love me back, you little shh. Her dad was an orange cat. No! How do I know this? I adopted her. I didn't know she was free. Bully, 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 no! Stop it! Look what you did to me. Your bald spots. You got your bald spots. You and your bald spots. You're only 8-year-old. You got bald spots. No! Stop it! Stop it! No! 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 Oh shit! Let go! Stop it! No! What? You let down, ready? Show them your trick. Hold on a minute, watch this. My cat can do backflips, mate. Not backflips, but. Oh, get it, girl! Ready? Get it! Go on, go get it. No, that's mine now. That's mine now, you little turd. Little turd. I'm a little money pot. She want to scout. Oh, mate, you want some money, mate? It's me, Mammon. Fizzy. Oh, mate, come here, Fizzy. I need my money back. You know you want me back. Come here, baby. It's me, Mammon. Oh, mate, I love you, mate. I know you. How dare you? Stop it. You're a booty hole. Fat booty hole. You don't like what I do to you, huh? You don't like your stomach touch, huh? You and your little bald spot going on there. Bald spot. Bald spot. Bald spot. You're only your shiny fur. Look at the camera, showing your big green beautiful eyes. Why do you look like that? No! Do that. Ah! Ready? Woo! Come on! You gotta show you the tricks. Ready? Okay, ready? Alright, you can have it. Good night, you dirty, fat, dirty. I love you so much. I love you. I'm shedding tears.